Number 2, structural organization in animals and plants. So chapter 5, morphology of flowering plants. Chapter 6, anatomy of flowering plants. Chapter 7, structural organization in animals. Now okay, now the Catherine Isau, the anatomy of sea plants by Catherine Isau. when when Catherine Isau died in the year 1997, Peter Ravan, director of anatomy and morphology, Missouri Botanical Garden, remembered that she absolutely dominated the field of plant biology even at the age of 99. Morphology of flowering plants. So context are the root, the stem, the leaf, the inflorescence, the flower, the fruit, the seed, semi-technical description of a typical flowering plant, description of some important families. Now morphology of flowering plants. So morphology, what does it mean? Even though the angiosperms show a large diversity in external structure or morphology, they are all characterized by presence of roots, stems, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now the root. So root, these are having primary root, secondary root and tertiary roots. So this is taproot. So this is taproot system and fibrous root system. Then there is adventitious root system. So these roots originate from the base of the stem and constitute the fibrous root system as seen in the wheat plant. And adventitious roots. So the advantage in some plants like grass, monstera, banyan tree, the roots arise from parts of the plant other than the radicle and are called the adventitious root system. Adventitious roots, okay, fibrous root system and a taproot system. So this is it. Okay, in majority of dicotyledonous plants, the direct elongation of the radicle leads to the formation of primary root which grows inside the soil. It bears lateral roots of several orders that are referred to as secondary, tertiary, etc. roots. Now the parts of a flowering plant you see: shoot system, root system. You see in the root system primary root, secondary root. In shoot system you see the bud. In the exile of you see the branches. Then there is internode between the nodes, between the two nodes. And then there is the leaf. Then stem. On stem there is leaf. There is fruit, and then is flower. Now different types of roots you see: taproot system in the first diagram. There are lateral roots along with the main root, and then fibrous roots is kind of bunch of roots, and then adventitious root growing other than the radicle. This is adventitious roots. Different types of roots. Now regions of roots you see that there is a root cap at the, so the regions of the root cap you see root cap at the top, then above that their region of meristematic activity, then region of elongation, then root here in region of maturation. So root cap, region of meristematic activity, then region of elongation, then region of maturation, having the root here. So this is it. Now modification of roots you see of the syllabus. Now the stem, they have the nodes and internodes. What are they? The stem bears nodes and internodes. The region of the stem where leaves are born are called nodes, while internodes are the portions between two nodes. This is in modification of stem out of syllabus. Now the leaf, the leaf, the axillary bud later develops into a branch. Okay, the leaf is a lateral, generally flattened structure born on the stem. It develops at the node and bears a bud in its axil. The axillary bud later develops into a branch. Okay, now this is it. Now leaf, talking about the leaf, structure of a leaf, parts of a leaf, reticulate venation, parallel venation. So structure of a leaf you see there is lamella, petiole holding the lamella, that is leaf plate, and then there is a leaf base. At leaf base there is stipule and axillary bud. Now stipule. So you see now pulvinous, there is petiole help hold the blade to light. This is the function of petiole. Now pulvinous, what is that? In some leguminous plants the leaf base may become swollen, so the swollen leaf base is the pulvinous in some leguminous plants. Now lamina or leaf blade is the green expanded part of the leaf with veins and ventlets. Okay,